Greetings everyone. So today I am again back with another important topic, and the topic we have for today's conversation will be based on again arts. And in this section I'm going to talk about a very powerful aspect of our art section, that is speaking one. Many of the people have a fear of the speaking and they thought that they couldn't be a good speaker. They can pass out their LRW but they couldn't feel comfortable while speaking English in front of an interview. So today I'm going to talk about the speaking aspect, that how can you be a good speaker and how can you just crack your speaking section of IELTS. So today I'm going to talk about the speaking section, that how can you be so fluent in the speaking. Keep in mind the fluency matters with the two things. The first thing is about your confidence. Second is that how smooth you start speaking English. Keep in mind, when new people start focusing on the speaking section, there would be three things that you need to focus. The first thing is that how much confident you are. Second thing is that how much smoothly you start speaking with the coherency and the coherent thing that you need to pursue. So keep in mind, while speaking English language, you have to be so fluent in front of an examiner, so you got a good balance of your fluency. Next point that I would like to add is a very important one, that is called coherence. Keep in mind, your coherency is the most important aspect of your speaking. The more fluent you are, the more coherent you are, the more great band you're gonna get in your IELTS exam, because the flow of your ideas and the connectivity of your sentences with each other matters a lot in the speaking. Moreover, expand your vocabulary, just because your vocabulary and the lexical resources are very important in your speaking section, because your synonyms and like collocation must add idiomatic expressions in the speaking in the conversation, because the more lexical resources you have, the more frequent marks and the bands you're gonna get in your speaking section. Lastly, I would like to say one more thing. Keep in mind, be relevant to the question, because whatever the question is coming from an interviewer and if people are giving them an irrelevant answer, keep in mind you can never get a good answer. For this purpose, you need to be connected with the question, that whatever the question comes from an interviewer, you have to give us an answer at the same point, because your answer should be quite relevant towards your same thing. So keep in mind, if you guys are so fluent in the speaking, you want to get a very great band, try to follow all these things. Thank you for being a part of our language club, because the more fluent you are, the more great bands you guys are getting with the help of these kind of tips and tricks. It would be great honor for me and my team. So don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the more details like that. Thank you so much for being a part of our family.